Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Core i9 Intel 13th gen processor crashing problem on your Windows laptop or PC. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, you just need to enter your BIOS settings. So if you don't know how to go to your BIOS settings, I have already made a video on this topic, so I'll give you the link on my video description. So after enter your BIOS, so you just need to simply click on OC, means overclock settings, and after that here you will get an option called advanced CPU configuration. Then here on this window you just need to find long duration power limit and short duration power limit and CPU current limit. So you just need to set a long duration power limit to 253. Manually you have to type, okay, and short duration power limit we have also set for 253, and CPU current limit you just need to set 307. After that you just need to press F10 key from your keyboard, or else you can go to your settings and then you just need to go to the option called save and exit, and after that it will fix your problem. So if in your case your motherboard is different, then you can search it on Google how to set power limit, so you can easily find that option. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.